Hi there and welcome to Exult Tech. Today I am here with 5 ways to transfer files between your phone and your computer. Let's get started. Number 1. Via USB cable. Actually, this is the simplest and of course the fastest way of file transfer between phone and PC, and this uses the media transfer protocol. You can of course use the File Explorer app in your PC or your phone to manage your files. So this is a pretty simple way of file transfer, but this needs a USB wire. Number 2. Via Bluetooth. So this is a wireless connection method which is a bit slow when compared to other methods. To enable this, just go to settings in your phone as well as your PC and turn on Bluetooth, and on your PC click send or receive files to transfer files between phone and PC. Number 3. Via wireless file sharing apps. Actually, there are many file sharing apps and I am using Samsung Flow, which is considered the best to share files between phone and PC. Actually, this is the fastest method when considering the wireless connections, and it is pretty simple to use. Number 4. Via shared folder method. This method uses FTP and you may need a remote manager enabled file explorer on your phone. So just enable remote manager and enter the IP displayed on your phone. Number 5. Via cloud storage. So when you have a fast internet connection, you can use cloud storage rather than other methods. You can use Google Drive or OneDrive, which are considered the best. So thanks for watching. Subscribe Exult Tech. See you in the next video soon. Bye.